Hello friends, hi. I'm Chika Srinivas, Managing Director of FITNESS9 Gym. FITNESS9 Gym reopening only for the personal training and body sculpt weight loss program. On 10th August 2020, from this Monday, we are welcoming back all the members. We are so happy to have people coming back. And we will be glad to have everyone back when they are ready. As per the government guidelines, we are allowing only limited members in each slot in order to maintain a proper social distance. And it's very important to keep taking steps to protect yourself from COVID-19. We will be constantly cleaning by disinfecting yourself and any surfaces that you touch at gym frequently. Precautions to be taken from your side: pocket sanitizer bottle, mask and gloves, own water bottle and napkin, own mat. Kindly check your body temperature before you come to gym for your and other well-being. We request you to all kindly cooperate with us and register yourself for the desired slot. For more details, call 924818 4818. Thank you.